The automotive world thrives on legends being reborn, and the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper SS is exactly that. A comeback story infused with modern engineering, breathtaking performance, and nostalgic styling cues that capture the essence of classic muscle cars while redefining what a sleeper car can be in today's market. Chevrolet has revived the Nova nameplate with a clear mission: to create a car that combines the raw power of an American performance machine with the sophistication, safety, and technology of a modern sports coupe. For car enthusiasts, YouTube reviewers, and automotive fans around the globe, the Nova Sleeper SS is more than just another muscle car. It's a statement of performance hidden in plain sight. Unlike flashy competitors that scream supercar with every curve, the Nova SS keeps things subtly aggressive, offering that sleeper charm where power lurks beneath a deceptively refined design. The exterior design of the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper SS strikes the perfect balance between modern aerodynamics and retro-inspired styling. At first glance, it may appear more like a sleek mid-size performance coupe rather than an all-out muscle monster, but a closer look reveals the details that make it special. The body sits lower, with sharp character lines that stretch from the aggressive front fascia to the muscular rear haunches, signaling athleticism without overplaying its hand. The front grille is slim, aerodynamically sculpted, and accented with subtle chrome touches that nod to the Nova heritage. Aerodynamics have been carefully engineered with air intakes integrated into the bumper, a smooth hood line with optional heat extractors, and an underbody diffuser that boosts performance at high speeds. Buyers can choose from a range of color options that reflect its dual identity: stealthy hues like phantom black, graphite gray, and midnight blue, alongside more attention-grabbing finishes like cherry red tint coat and velocity yellow. Wheel designs are equally distinctive, ranging from 18-inch stealth alloys for the purest sleeper look to 20-inch lightweight forged performance wheels with Brembo brake calipers peeking through. Lighting is fully modern, with slim LED headlights, dynamic turn signals, and signature daytime running lights that add sophistication without losing the muscle car aura. The rear features quad exhausts integrated into a muscular bumper, an optional subtle lip spoiler, and Nova badging that proudly announces the car's lineage. Step inside the cabin, and the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper SS proves that it isn't just about straight-line power, it's also a place of comfort and technology. Chevrolet has crafted an interior that rivals luxury sedans in refinement, while staying true to the Nova's performance DNA. Seating is sporty yet supportive, with available Recaro-inspired bucket seats wrapped in premium leather or Alcantara, offering both comfort for long drives and bolstering for spirited cornering. The driver-focused cockpit puts everything within easy reach, from the flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters to the customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays performance data in real time. Infotainment is powered by Chevrolet's latest MyLink system, with a large 13-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air updates. Audiophiles will appreciate the optional Bose premium sound system, while tech-savvy drivers will enjoy wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and ambient interior lighting with customizable color themes. Space is generous for a two-door coupe, with enough rear seat room for passengers on short trips and a trunk large enough to make it practical for everyday use. Material quality is high-end across the board, with soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and contrast stitching that elevate the cabin far beyond its muscle car ancestors. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper SS truly lives up to its name. Chevrolet offers two powerhouse engine options to satisfy both enthusiasts and purists. The base variant comes with a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing around 420 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque, perfect for drivers who want a balance of performance and drivability. The higher performance Sleeper SS trim, however, is where things get jaw-dropping, packing a twin-turbocharged 6.2-liter V8 that delivers a staggering 650 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. With this engine, The Nova Sleeper SS rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds, rivaling European sports cars that cost twice as much. Top speed exceeds 310 km/h, while advanced suspension tuning ensures the car handles like a modern performance coupe, not just a drag strip beast. Transmission choices include a slick 6-speed manual for purists and a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic with launch control for those who want maximum performance. Despite its power, Chevrolet has engineered efficiency into the package with cylinder deactivation technology and improved aerodynamics, allowing the Nova SS to achieve respectable fuel economy compared to older muscle cars. The driving experience is exhilarating yet surprisingly refined, with precise steering, adaptive magnetic ride control, and multiple driving modes that let drivers switch between comfort, sport, and track settings with ease. Technology in the 2026 Nova Sleeper SS is cutting edge, ensuring that this isn't just a brute force machine but a forward-looking performance car. Connectivity is seamless with 5G-ready systems, wireless integration, and cloud-based navigation that updates traffic and road conditions in real time. Driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The Nova also introduces futuristic tools such as augmented reality head-up display, a performance data recorder for track days, and predictive maintenance alerts powered by AI. Safety is paramount, with a robust suite of features including multiple airbags, reinforced crash structures, advanced ABS with electronic brake force distribution, stability control and rollover protection. Early crash test results from independent agencies suggest top ratings across categories, putting the Nova SS among the safest performance coupes in its class. Variants and trims have been carefully planned to cater to different buyers. The entry-level Nova LT offers a V6 turbocharged option for affordability while still delivering respectable performance. The Nova SS brings the 5.7-liter V8 with performance styling and advanced tech. The flagship Nova Sleeper SS trim unleashes the twin-turbo 6.2-liter monster, making it a true supercar killer. Pricing is expected to start around $38,000 for the LT, $52,000 for the SS, and $75,000 for the Sleeper SS. In global markets, prices will vary slightly, with Europe seeing a higher premium due to taxes and regulations, while markets like the Middle East and Asia are expected to embrace the higher trims due to demand for high-performance vehicles. When comparing competitors, the Nova Sleeper SS faces strong rivals like the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, and even European offerings like the BMW M4. Yet, the Nova stands out by combining the raw American muscle car DNA with sleeper car subtlety and modern luxury. While the Hellcat shouts aggression with flamboyant styling, and the Shelby emphasizes track dominance, the Nova's understated looks and balanced performance package appeal to enthusiasts who prefer power without constant attention. Against the BMW M4, the Nova holds its ground by offering more horsepower at a significantly lower price point. Pros and cons highlight the well-rounded nature of the car. Pros include breathtaking performance, sleeper styling that appeals to enthusiasts, advanced tech features, high-quality interior, and competitive pricing compared to rivals. Cons might be limited rear seat space, higher fuel consumption in performance trims, and availability challenges in certain regions. The target audience for the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper SS is broad but distinct. Muscle car enthusiasts who long for a modern interpretation of classic American performance will find it irresistible. Younger buyers looking for a stealthy performance car that doesn't scream supercar will appreciate its sleeper appeal. Families who want a weekend fun car with daily usability will also find value in the Nova's practicality. The global market is buzzing with demand, especially in the USA and Middle East, where performance cars hold cultural significance, and in Europe, where its blend of muscle and tech provides a refreshing alternative to German sports coupes. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper SS isn't just another muscle car, it's a rebirth of an icon crafted for the modern era. With its sharp yet understated exterior design, luxurious and high-tech interior, monstrous engine options, advanced safety, and a price point that undercuts its rivals, The Nova Sleeper SS emerges as one of the most exciting cars in today's market. It delivers on every front: performance, style, technology, and heritage. For anyone searching for a car that combines the thrill of old-school American muscle with the sophistication of modern engineering, the Nova Sleeper SS stands out as one of the best buys of 2026 and a true legend reborn.